In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download NordVPN in laptop. By the end, you'll have the NordVPN app safely installed on your Windows laptop and ready for use. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search box, type NordVPN download. This makes it easy to find the official download page without having to memorize any URLs. When the results load, look for the official NordVPN result that mentions downloading a VPN for Windows PC or laptop. Make sure the link is from the nordvpn.com domain, so you know you're getting the legitimate app from the source. Click through to the Windows download page. Here you'll see options to choose a plan or proceed to download the app. If you already have a subscription, you can simply download the app and sign in later. If you don't have one yet, choosing a plan on this page will walk you through creating an account and activating a subscription. Either way, this page is the right place to start the installation. Next, click the button labeled Download App. Your browser will begin downloading the installer file, usually a small .exe. Keep an eye on the download progress in the bottom bar of your browser or in your downloads list. If your browser asks where to save the file, the default downloads folder is fine. Once the download finishes, click the file from your browser's download bar, or open your downloads folder and double-click the NordVPN installer. If Windows asks for permission to make changes to your device, choose Yes so the installer can run. The setup wizard will appear. Simply follow the prompts and click Next to continue. When you reach the installation screen, click Install. The installer will copy the necessary files and set everything up for you. This may take a minute or two depending on your system. When it's done, the wizard will confirm that the installation is complete. You can close the installer at this point. If the app doesn't open automatically, you'll find it in your Start menu. From there, you can launch NordVPN, sign in with your account, and you're ready for secure browsing. That's it. Open Google, search for the NordVPN download, go to the official Windows page, choose a plan if needed, or just download, run the installer, click Next, and then install. If you followed along, you now have NordVPN installed on your laptop and ready to go. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a safer, more private internet experience.